Let's talk about how to factory reset an Eufy smart lock. This is the C120. It'll work on many of their locks. First thing you gotta do is remove the cover for your battery compartment. And what you're going to see here is a little tiny sync button. We need to press that 5 times, and on the 5th time, we're gonna hold it until we hear a series of beeps. After you get 2 beeps, we're going to release it and the lock will be reset. Real quick, let's just confirm that there is a code in this lock. Let's go through the reset procedure. Press and hold. First beep. There's the 2 beeps. Now the lock has been factory reset. If I come back in and try that code, just gives me a not set up indication. That's how you factory reset an Eufy smart lock.